Hello, everyone. We are your English learning partners, helping you speak clearly every single day. If you are new here, subscribe now and grow your confidence step by step with us. Do you understand English but feel afraid to speak? Do words come slowly when you try to talk? Today, you will train your ear, your mouth, and your confidence together. Listen carefully, then repeat immediately after each sentence. Do not stop, do not translate, just copy the sound. This method is called shadowing, and it builds real fluency. Morning routine English. I wake up early and start my day with energy. I try to speak English even before leaving my bed. Today is a new day with new learning opportunities. I say simple sentences to warm up my speaking skills. I look in the mirror and speak with confidence. I say, "Good morning, I am ready for today." Speaking daily helps my brain learn faster and better. I practice even when I feel tired or busy. I drink water and think about my daily goals. I plan to speak English clearly and naturally today. I remind myself that mistakes are part of learning. I do not wait for perfect grammar to start speaking. I start with easy sentences and build my confidence slowly. I repeat simple phrases again and again for practice. This repetition helps my brain remember correct patterns. I focus on sound, rhythm, and natural speaking flow. Listening and shadowing training. Now I train my ears by listening carefully. I listen to clear American English pronunciation and rhythm. I do not translate words into my native language. I focus only on sound and natural speaking patterns. I repeat immediately after the speaker without stopping. I try to copy the speed, tone, and emotion. Even if I make mistakes, I keep going forward. Shadowing is about flow, not perfection or accuracy. I say the sentences again to improve my pronunciation. I speak loudly so my mouth learns correct movements. I notice how words connect in natural speech. I learn how native speakers reduce and link words. I practice daily because consistency builds real speaking skill. I trust the process and continue even when difficult. My listening improves as I repeat more sentences. My speaking becomes smoother and more natural each day. Workplace English practice. I arrive at work and greet my coworkers politely. I say, "Good morning, how are you today?" They respond, and I listen carefully to their answers. I try to understand without asking for translation help. I ask simple questions to practice communication skills. I say, "Can you help me with this task?" I use polite language when speaking with my team. Being polite is important in professional workplace communication. I listen carefully when my manager gives instructions. If I do not understand, I ask them to repeat. I say, "Can you explain that one more time?" This helps me avoid mistakes and improve understanding. I take notes to remember important information at work. Writing helps me connect listening and speaking skills together. I review my notes and repeat sentences quietly. This practice strengthens my memory and speaking ability. Real-life conversation practice. I practice conversations even when I am alone. I imagine real situations and speak out loud. I create simple dialogues in my daily routine. This helps me prepare for real-life communication situations. I say, "Hello, how can I help you today?" I imagine a customer asking questions about a product. I respond clearly and slowly using simple English words. I focus on clarity, not difficult vocabulary or grammar. I practice asking and answering everyday questions. I say, "What time does the store open?" Then I answer, "The store opens at 9 o'clock." This repetition builds confidence in common situations. I use short sentences to keep my speech simple. Simple sentences help me avoid confusion and mistakes. I gradually increase sentence length as I improve. Practice makes my speaking more natural and comfortable. Building confidence daily. I remind myself that learning takes time and patience. I do not compare myself with other English learners. Everyone learns at a different speed and level. I focus on my own progress and daily improvement. I celebrate small wins in my learning journey. Speaking one sentence clearly is a big success. Understanding one conversation is also important progress. Every step forward brings me closer to fluency. I practice speaking even when I feel nervous. Confidence grows when I take action every day. I do not wait until I feel ready to speak. I become ready by practicing and repeating daily. I believe in myself and my ability to improve. My voice becomes stronger with each practice session. I speak louder and clearer with more confidence. Daily practice changes my habits and builds fluency. Evening review practice. At the end of the day, I review my learning. I think about what I learned and practiced today. I repeat key sentences before going to sleep. This helps my brain remember important information overnight. I listen again to the sentences I practiced earlier. I try to shadow them faster and more smoothly. I notice improvement in my pronunciation and rhythm. This motivates me to continue learning every day. I speak a few sentences about my daily experience. I say, "Today was busy, but I learned a lot." I describe my day using simple and clear sentences. This builds my confidence in real communication situations. I thank myself for practicing and not giving up. Consistency is the key to long-term language success. I prepare myself mentally for tomorrow's practice session. Learning English becomes part of my daily lifestyle. You are improving every day with consistent practice. Your listening and speaking skills are getting stronger. Do not stop, even when progress feels slow sometimes. Fluency comes from daily effort and repetition. Keep shadowing, keep listening, and keep speaking daily. Your future self will thank you for this effort. You are building a powerful skill for your life. English will open many doors and new opportunities. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Rising Voice English for daily speaking practice. Write your request in the comments for future lessons. We are here to help you speak English confidently. Remember, listen, repeat, shadow, improve. Do this every day and you will succeed.